What's the meaning of berserk? Berserk. Berserk.
Berserk. Berserk. Berserk is an adjective that describes a state of uncontrolled fury or rage. The term originates from Norse mythology, where the berserkers were warriors who fought with an uncontrollable fury and were said to have supernatural strength. In modern usage, it refers to someone who is behaving in an incredibly wild or frenzied manner, often due to extreme anger or mental instability. A person going berserk may exhibit aggressive behavior, violence, and may be difficult to reason with or restrain. Overall, the term berserk implies a loss of self-control and a dangerous level of emotional intensity.